Welcome to today's quiz. We've got 20 amazing questions lined up, each one revealing mind-blowing and unique facts you've probably never heard before. Ready to test your knowledge? What vaccine was first approved for COVID-19 use? A. Pfizer-BioNTech. B. Moderna. C. Johnson & Johnson. The correct answer is Pfizer-BioNTech. Secret Insights. It was the first mRNA vaccine ever approved for public use. It was co-developed by Turkish-German scientists Ugur Sahin and Özlem Türeci. Which country left the European Union in 2020? A. France. B. Germany. C. United Kingdom. The correct answer is United Kingdom. Secret Insights. Brexit was finalised on January 31st, 2020. Scotland voted overwhelmingly to remain. The UK lost automatic access to EU trade deals post-Brexit. Who won the 2020 US presidential election? A. Donald Trump. B. Joe Biden. C. Mike Pence. The correct answer is Joe Biden. Secret Insights. He received over 81 million votes, a record. Kamala Harris became the first female vice president. Over 100 million Americans voted early or by mail. Which European country legalized same-sex marriage in 2022? A. Poland. B. Switzerland. C. Austria. The correct answer is Switzerland. Secret Insights. The law passed with 64% support via referendum. Legal adoption by same-sex couples was also granted. LGBTQ+ groups campaigned for over a decade. What major event was postponed to 2021 due to COVID-19? A. Wimbledon. B. Tokyo Olympics. C. Cannes Film Festival. The correct answer is Tokyo Olympics. Secret Insights. First-time Olympics were postponed rather than cancelled, held with no international spectators. Branded as Tokyo 2020, despite happening in 2021. Who was Time's Person of the Year in 2021? A. Kamala Harris. B. Joe Biden. C. Elon Musk. The correct answer is Elon Musk. Secret Insights. He became the world's richest man that year. His space company, SpaceX, launched the first civilian crew. Time praised his role in shaping tech and energy futures. What city hosted the 2023 Eurovision Song Contest? A. Rome. B. Liverpool. C. Vienna. The correct answer is Liverpool. Secret Insights. It was held in the UK on behalf of Ukraine. Kalosh Orchestra won the 2022 edition. Liverpool's music history played a key role in its selection. Which AI chatbot launched in late 2022 shocked the world? A. Bard. B. Claude. C. ChatGPT. The correct answer is ChatGPT. Secret Insights reached 100 million users in 2 months, used by teachers, developers, and businesses globally. Developed by OpenAI, backed by Microsoft. What disaster hit Turkey and Syria in 2023? A. Earthquake. B. Tsunami. C. Floods. The correct answer is earthquake. Secret Insights. Over 50,000 people died. It was a 7.8 magnitude quake. Aid was slowed by political conflict zones. Which Austrian leader resigned in 2021 amid scandal? A. Norbert Hofer. B. Sebastian Kurz. C. Karl Nehammer. The correct answer is Sebastian Kurz. Secret Insights, accused of using government funds for media manipulation, was one of the youngest world leaders at 31. He later transitioned to the private sector. Which European country held 3 elections in 2023? A. Italy. B. France. C. Bulgaria. The correct answer is Bulgaria. Secret Insights. Political instability due to fragmented parliament. Voter turnout dropped below 40%. It delayed EU funding and reforms. Which global brand paused operations in Russia in 2022? A. McDonald's. B. Google. C. Nike. The correct answer is McDonald's. Secret Insights, first opened in Moscow in 1990, sold its operations to a local operator, reopened as Vkusno I Tochka, tasty, period. What inflation rate did the Eurozone peak at in 2022? A. 5.1%, B. 7.5%, C. 10.6%. The correct answer is 10.6%. Secret Insights, driven by energy crisis post-Ukraine invasion. ECB raised interest rates for the first time in 11 years. Food prices surged across Europe. Which tech billionaire bought Twitter in 2022? A. Elon Musk. B. Jeff Bezos. C. Jack Dorsey. The correct answer is Elon Musk. Secret Insights, bought for $44 billion, rebranded to X in 2023, fired top executives immediately post-acquisition. What was the major COP26 outcome in 2021? A. Legal carbon tax. B. Nuclear phase-out. C. Glasgow Climate Pact. The correct answer is Glasgow Climate Pact. Secret Insights. First time fossil fuels were explicitly mentioned. India and China softened language on coal. Commitment still fell short of 1.5 degrees Celsius goal. What happened to Queen Elizabeth II in 2022? A. Died. B. Hospitalized. C. Moved to Scotland. The correct answer is died. Secret Insights reigned for 70 years, the UK's longest. Charles III immediately became king. Her funeral was watched by over 4 billion globally. Which NATO country blocked Sweden's entry till 2023? A. Germany. B. Turkey. C. France. The correct answer is Turkey. Secret Insights cited Sweden's alleged support for Kurdish groups. Hungary also delayed approval. Finland joined ahead of Sweden. What was the name of Austria's pandemic tracking app? A. Stop Corona. B. COVID Alert. C. Corona Warn. The correct answer is Stop Corona. Secret Insights, launched by the Austrian Red Cross. Privacy-focused with Bluetooth-only tracking. Voluntary adoption limited its effectiveness. Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2022? A. Germany. B. Brazil. C. Argentina. The correct answer is Argentina. Secret Insights. Lionel Messi finally won his first World Cup. The final went to penalties against France, held controversially in Qatar. What major energy crisis hit Europe in 2022? A. Oil spill. B. Gas shortage. C. Nuclear shutdown. The correct answer is gas shortage. Secret Insights, triggered by Russia cutting pipeline supplies, led to massive energy subsidies. Germany restarted coal plants temporarily. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more amazing facts.